welcome to my vlog again. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Causeway Food House dito sa may Tutulan Dauis. Yan, Causeway Food House. At we are with my friends. Maganda daw ang ano dito guys, resto na to. Ano siya, facing Tagbilaran. So as you can see, so let's go inside.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Unsa man na?
Grilled beef po or
Ang ganda dito guys, mag chill. So ito ang view dito sa food house. Nagalit na yung kaibigan namin kasi mag-order na daw ng food. Gutom na daw sila. Order muna kami guys.
picture niyo maging niya. Isa sa umana na ako pa sa ako na. Asa nang gita, asa ning napita.
You touch my hand and I'm a king. Your kiss for me is worth a fortune. Your love for me is everything. And you're always there. The wonder of you.
Isip-isip po siya yung kanya. Pero wala niya pa. Saya man! Asa nang gita. Wala niya pa.
You touch my hand and I'm a
Ay, nice. I love it. We can sa ninyo order.
Your kiss for me is worth a fortune. Your love for me is everything. And you're always there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ako na,